Good morning. Is this Kingsley?
Yes, sir.
Please tell your mother that we have a parents-teacher conference tomorrow, huh?
Okay, sir. Thank you. Kila tato. Iko. Ikan ako. Kila ko putri. Pero ikaw na ako kasi ang kanuwan ko.
Good morning, parents.
Good morning, teacher.
Welcome, and thank you for accepting my invitation about today's conference. For today's topic, ako Sudahon ang about sa paliwanag ni sa business. Having you here today, Mrs. Farah, I will tell you about your child. Mrs. Farah, your child is doing great in class, but his attitude is something I cannot control. We have to work hard to do his attitude better.
I understand, sir. I will try to develop his attitude at home. I will look upon him carefully.